Hello everyone, today we are going to make Aamras. For this I have taken 2 Alfonso mangoes, peel them and cut into small pieces and transfer it to blender. Also add 4 to 5 teaspoons of sugar to it. Blend it nicely to a smooth paste. I have not added water. If you want you can thin it down by adding water or milk to it. Now add half a teaspoon of green cardamom powder and a pinch of salt and whisk well. And our Aamras is ready. You can chill this in refrigerator before serving. You can serve this delicious Aamras with puris or chapatis. Hey friends, if you liked my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next video, take care and bye.